We'll guide you through how to add text in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by selecting the New Project button. Once you have your video timeline ready, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options such as Media, Audio, and Text. Click on the Text option. This will open a sidebar with text templates and options. You can either choose a preset or click on Add Text to create your custom text. When you click Add Text, a text box will appear on your timeline and video preview. Double-click on the text box in the video preview to edit the text. Type in whatever you want your video to convey. You can then move the text around the video by dragging it to your desired location. To customize your text further, look at the options available in the sidebar. You can change the font, size, color, and even add effects like shadows or outlines to make your text stand out. If you want to animate the text, click on the Animation tab in the sidebar. Here, you can add entrance or exit animations to your text, making it slide, fade, or bounce onto the screen. Once you're happy with how your text looks and behaves, don't forget to preview your video to ensure everything is perfect. Just hit the play button to see how the text fits into your video. When you're satisfied, you can go ahead and export your video by clicking on the Export button at the top right corner. Choose your desired settings and let CapCut do its magic. And that's it. You've successfully added text to your video using CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.